Hey Justin, this is Jason. I'm not the greatest videographer here, but here's some real basic uh, charting techniques here for figuring out when to buy and sell. This is Alibaba, and when I was talking about W's and M's, this is a W right here. It kind of looks like a letter W. All right, that's called a bull flag. Your last leg is taller than the first leg, and yeah, and it crosses up over these moving averages. You go down here, this is a moving average convergence divergence known as the MACD. When that W shows up and these two lines have separated and started moving up, that's another buy indication. This here, I wish it wasn't blurry. This is your relative strength indicator known as RSI. I'll explain that to you later. If it's in a neutral position, which is right in the middle of the top and bottom, it's not really a buy or a sell signal. And if you can see here, huge volume. That is a giant blue bar going up to over 50 million shares. So you got a huge spike here. You got the RSIs moving up. You got the MACDs crossed and separated. You got the W here. So your buy signal is about right around 180. Then it's just the opposite up here. Up here you got, I wish this wasn't so blurry. You got a letter M up here. That's a bear flag. So you got the last leg. It's longer than the first leg. It's crossing down over the moving averages. Now you got your, sorry about that, the phone rate. You got your MACD is crossed and moving down. Let me silence the phone here for a second. Again, RSI, it's not always the best indication. This here is saying oversold versus overbought, so it would ignore that. And then down here, let's see where we at. You got the volume's kind of sketchy here. Normally you'd see some big red bars here. The volume dropped off, but it's just a lot of smaller red bars. But if you start out just using the bull flag and the bear flag, the W, you gotta use your imagination a little bit. I mean, it's like a W right here, and you got an M up here. So if you would have bought around 180, your sell signal would have showed up around 200. That'd been $20 a share over a period of, let's see, May to July. And that's not bad. I mean, that's we do quick math here. Let's see, 180 divided by 200. Okay, so that's 10% return. That's not bad. I mean, you look, how much does a CD or a money market return in a year, or a bond? 2 or 3%. You could have made 10 in 3 months. So, I mean, it's good to have a diversified portfolio. I got physical gold. I've got bonds. I've got stocks. I mean, really try to diversify. But you want to watch for that. Watch for your W crossing up over the moving averages, or crossing down. So that's a classic buy signal there, classic sell signal there. I'm using a 1-year chart. So that's for, you got to start out with the training wheels. I mean, no one starts out riding a motorcycle, as a professional motorcycle rider. They all start out the same way. So anyway, you can put the charts on Robinhood suck. They're not going to show you this stuff. You're going to have to find some charting sites on the web. I'll see if I can look some up for you, because I use this here is through TD Ameritrade. That's who I'm on right here. So hopefully this video is not too long to upload. Any questions, let me know. I'm going to go ahead and conclude the video here.